Hello students, welcome for my YouTube channel. Imagine you'll become Indian administrator. In IAS, choosing wrong answers are strategy for passing preliminary examination. It requires more and more practice. Shena IAS. Parts of the Constitution. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. Part 1 related to Union of India and states. Part 2 related to citizenship. Part 3 related to fundamental rights. Part 4 related to directive principles of state policy and fundamental duties. Question. The mind of the makers of the Constitution of India is reflected in which of the following? A. The preamble. B. The fundamental rights. C. The directive principles of state policy. D. Fundamental duties. Fundamental rights are rights given to citizens of India against government exploitation. It comes under Part 3 of the Constitution. It is legally enforceable. Directive principles of state policy is guidelines given to the government by Constitution. It comes under Part 4 of the Constitution. It is not legally enforceable. Fundamental duties given to people by Constitution. It comes under Part 4A. It is not legally enforceable. The mind of the makers of the Constitution of India is reflected in which of the following? A. The preamble. B. The fundamental rights. It is wrong. It is not mind of the makers of the Constitution. C. The directive principles of state policy. It is wrong. It is not mind of the makers of the Constitution. D. The fundamental duties. It is wrong. It is not mind of the makers of the Constitution. Question. Which portfolio was held by Dr. Rajendra Prasad in interim government formed in the year 1946? A. Defense. B. External Affairs and Commonwealth. C. Food and Agriculture. D. None. In interim government in 1946, Defense Minister was V.K. Krishnamendan. In interim government in 1946, External Affairs Minister was Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Which portfolio was held by Dr. Rajendra Prasad in the interim government formed in the year 1946? Defense. It is wrong. It is not held by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. External Affairs and Commonwealth. It is wrong. It is not held by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Constitution. Schedule. Parts. Article. Schedule means group of parts. Parts means group of articles. Article means law. Question. Which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution list the names of states and specifies their territories? A. First. B. Second. C. Third. D. Fourth. Second schedule related to President, Governors, Speaker, Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha, Chairman, Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Third schedule related to oath taken by President, Prime Minister, Union Ministers, Judges. Fourth schedule related to allocation of seats for states and union territories in Rajya Sabha. Which one of the following schedules of the Indian Constitution lists the names of states and specifies their territories? A. First. B. Second. It is wrong. Not related to states and territories. C. Third, it is wrong, not related to states and territories. D. Fourth, it is wrong, not related to states and territories. Student, maintain persistence for achieving your life definite chief desire, becoming IAS. My student Ramesh became IAS in young age 22. Father was garment factory employee. Father sold his ancestral property at Bangalore for Ramesh desire, becoming IAS. Ramesh made parents happy. Feel he'll become district collector. Thank you. Visit Himalaya YouTube channel.